Did you know that some wolves have a surprising way of eating their prey? Instead of devouring their catch right away, they wait. In North America, certain wolves hunt salmon during the migration season. They skillfully catch the fish, but instead of eating immediately, they leave it on the riverbank. Then, birds like ravens, eagles, and seagulls swoop in, pecking at the fish. Only after the birds have had their fill do the wolves return to eat what remains. Scientists believe this could serve a purpose, perhaps removing the strong-smelling organs or softening the meat. It might also strengthen the wolves' bond with scavenger birds, which later help them find other food sources in the wild.